Hello guys, welcome back. This is Milky Coffee. In today's video, we will take you for the adventure inside the forest.
Yes, and Lucas, he will surprise me. He will bring me to the place that I never been. And I don't have any idea where we're going because it's his surprise.
I'll tell you actually, it's Viewpoint, beautiful place nearby Prague. So let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Hello, your milk is so delicious. Moo. Butson, I have food for you. Ciao, just I dear. You know, darling, what kind of tree is this one?
I don't have idea. Maybe it's, I don't know. It looks like a Christmas tree. The shapes.
Christmas.
What is-
Chestnut.
Chestnut?
In the autumn, you will have like chestnut, the brown. You see, from that flower, you will have chestnut brown later. In the
Chestnut.
autumn. Yeah.
Can eat?
This is only for animals. For zoo.
It looks like nuts for eating.
You know the brown like this?
Yeah.
Some of them you can eat. But this one, nah. See guys, this is pattern, the yellow. In Czech Republic, tourist destinations, you have always the colors. And you can follow this and that will lead you in some beautiful location.
Yes, this is their pattern. We will follow the yellow color.
So you should look all around for this color.
Yeah, so
And it will lead you somewhere.
we will not lose.
See guys, the arrows? That will lead you somewhere, huh? And in our magic bag, I am hiding my coffee and of course repellent for the cliché and for the mosquito that you need before you go to forest. You need to take this one
Boy Scout.
and spray it.
We are inside of the forest now, guys. I like this more than the city.
Of course, because you are a girl from the jungle. This is your home. Look guys around, look around. Oi. Of course, because they like your meat. You are exotic. That's why mosquitoes, they love you. Come on, Lola, you can do it. Come on, Lola. It's getting older, huh? 29, oh. Guys, if you are walking in the forest and there is no trash bin, always keep your trash with you. Don't be like this girl. She's like drunker. Throwing garbage all around, huh?
Throwing, I just forgot my Red Bull.
Forget ka dyan. You are lazy, huh? Yeah, always wait for the trash bin and then put it there.
Don't go there, baby.
And we are here, guys, with Vyhlidka and just I so scared like little puppy.
Of course, this here is so slippery.
Of course, you should be careful.